This is how you create a cool logo wallpaper inside After Effects. First, I'm just going to make a simple background by double clicking the rectangle tool, and I'm just going to ramp up the scale to about 500%. I'm going to drag my logo onto the timeline, effects and presets, apply an effect called motion tile onto the logo. And let's just ramp up the output width. It's like 4,000, and the output height as well to about 4,000, and then we can just scale down the umbrella. If you want a straightforward pattern like this, leave it as it is. If you want it offset, you can increase the phase. On frame 1 of the timeline, I'm going to keyframe the tile center, then I'm going to move to the end of the timeline, and I'm just going to increase the x-axis. You can leave it like this, or we can take it a step further and we can make these layers 3D by clicking the cube icon there. And then we can just right click, go new, camera. Let's go with the 35mm and change the f-stop to 0.2. Okay. On the drop down menu, on the transform options, on frame 1, keyframe the point of interest and position. And using the camera tools up here, we can just push in a bit, and then we can also use the orbit tool. And it just gives us a bit of depth, sort of like a cool 3D postcard. Then we can just move to the end of the timeline, and we can just shift the camera about how we please. And you might see the camera's gone a bit out of focus. So if we go down to the camera options, we keyframe the focus distance, and we can just adjust it until we get back our focus. And then we can go back to frame 1, and look, it's still in focus, so that's okay. And voila, there we have it, a moving logo wallpaper effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.